How to make synth sounds like Arca. In this video we're going to make 2 leads, a bass sound and a pluck. Let's start with the lead from Rakata. Saw. That sounds way too small. We want a big super saw. So let's bring in oscillator 2 and 3. Increase the release. Remove some highs. EQ. Glide. Our next sound is a bass synth, and this one is similar to our previous sound, but doesn't have as much unison. Start with a saw with 4 voices of unison. Add a filter and reduce the spread to make the synth narrower. Next, let's make the lead from Prada. So, to remove some highs, we're going to add a filter. Add some movement to the filter with the envelope. Unison. And to make the patch more alive, add random 1 to the filter. So far we've made 2 lead sounds and a bass sound. Now we're going to make a pluck. This time we're going to use a triangle wave. Remove some highs. Add a sine wave an octave higher. Turn down the sustain to give us a plucky shape. And the original sounds a bit like a one shot because I can hear the low notes are really long and the high notes are really short. So to create some vital, we're going to assign note to the decay of our patch. Reverb, microshift.